Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hopefully you all are doing great. Okay, just before starting with the today's video, I'm just going to you can say about something regarding the exams of the winter 2021. As you all are very much aware that 2021 summer exam wasn't held, or you can say that students weren't appear in their papers of the Pakistan Studies, Urdu, Islamiyat, and etc. Some of the students got withdraw either in A level or O level. Okay, today's video is about the you can say environment of Pakistan, important questions that might be possible in your examination of the upcoming series winter 2021. Okay, before that I'm just going to have some analysis regarding the previous examinations, and for that you can say about the question 5 was a majority in the last 5 sessions. The question 5 was of the population in most of the times, whereas the question 1 in most of the times it was about the topography, climate and all that. Okay, before starting with the guest paper, hopefully you all just enjoyed our previous videos regarding the guest paper, as you were very much quite sure about the previous session as well, and alhamdulillah you're almost very much fine with our questions, and around 3 to 4 questions that were right on the spot, you can say, in our previous examination series. Okay, for this time we are just going to start with some of the important questions in winter 2021, and the first question that might be quite possible is about the topography of water resource. Okay, a topic where you can about the, have some question regarding the deserts, water resources, climate, about the question of 5 to 6 marks. You can say they may be quite partial with all of that. Okay, secondly, the forest topic might be very much important because in you can say in last 2 years, yeah, almost you can say about in last 2 years and in last 1 year we haven't get any question regarding the forest. You can say it was just last came in the winter 2020. Okay, and now it's almost a 1 year, you can say about the 2 sessions. So the forest question might be quite possible that might come in examination series. Okay, the question number 3, the very much important question, is maybe about the fishing or agriculture. The fishing is a topic that wasn't came you can say it wasn't there in many of the exam series, and this time it may be quite possible that this came as a question number 3. As you all know that we have a 5 question and have a choice of 2 questions, and you are allowed to attempt only of the 3 questions. Okay, moving forward we have a topic regarding about the trade. Trade is a topic you can say about chapter 10 or 11 of your geography book, and it's an important topic because from the last you can say sessions, or you can just say about the in summer 2018 summer 2018, or you can say about the summer 2019. For 2019 it wasn't there as well, so more than 2 years have been passed since we have got any other question from this topic, so this might be an important question or important topic as well. Okay, and lastly we have a population topic that is very much important, and it came almost in every other session because it has a great weightage in your paper. Okay, before moving forward, just need to explain some of the important tips while you are just attempting the geography paper. It's very much useful and you should listen it very carefully. According to my experience, I have given paper in 2017 May June, and I have faced some of the problems. Okay, the problem came especially in the question number 5 and in question number 6. Okay, just talking about the question number 6, we do have a many questions. For example, to what extent, or you can say which view do you agree with more, and you can about the advantages and disadvantages. The question is very much easy. If they ask about the advantages and disadvantages, you just need to write you can as simple as that, 3 advantages, 3 disadvantages, 1 conclusion, or you can say 1 evaluation regarding that question. And the question came to what extent. To what extent came, so you should have a greater proportion of the possibilities and its problems. Okay, the knowledge should be put aside, and you should focus on the question wording as well. That is quite important in the question. To what extent you need to just write about the possibilities and the problem. Okay, and lastly we have a question about the which view do you agree with more. It means you have already been agreed and disagreed with that specified views, and you should write with more. Okay, for example, if you just agree with the statement view A, so you should also have a controversial statement of the view A as well. If you have agree with view B, so you should also have a controversial statement about the view B as well. So the topic or the view which you write more would be your, you can say, evaluation, or would be your greater point. You conclude that this is your correct answer, because these two views are already been said that are correct views, and you it's all upon your opinion or view that how you just take at it. Okay, before that, the main problem that student might face is that about the labeling of diagram. In your geography book, the labeling of diagram of every chapter is very much important as well. Okay, you should not leave any of the diagram in your book. The labeling, especially of the carriage system, especially of the minerals. Okay, the topic minerals and power resources might have a less proportion in your exam because it already been came from the last 2 sessions or 2 years very much in your exam, and maybe they should not be including that topic, or if they include that topic, so it would have a less proportion in your paper. Hopefully you just enjoyed our video, and inshallah we'll be uploading some more videos regarding important tips of the geography, history and Islamic paper before the exam series come. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed. Till now, Allah Hafiz.